Hey, hello everybody. I'm Andy Van Damia. I'm here to provide some information on Micron Tech Talk on Authenta Triathlon platform for DevOps. But before we talk about triathlon and the platform and what you can do with it, I thought we'd maybe talk a little bit about what Authenta actually is and what Micron's developed. So Authenta is a new security technology that Micron Technologies has developed. So this technology, they have actually incorporated various types of security into a standard flash memory and coupled that with an Authenta cloud platform that altogether can be used to build and enable all sorts of new types of platform level security. Some of those new types of securities are cyber endpoint protection. This particular slide shows the ability for this device to actually detect that the memory has been compromised and then actually boot back up into an uncompromised position and then allow servers and so forth to query it and understand that the device has been compromised and they can come back and fix this later. But it allows the platform to basically fix itself if there's a problem. Another one of the actual technologies that are enabled by this are the ability to control various features on a platform. So hardware and software features on an endpoint device can actually be controlled remotely. You could enable an upgrade to do different types of features from a server on using this device. So the hardware and the software can be upgraded to do various specific things all through cryptographic control. Another type of technology that's very interesting is the ability for a server to actually understand whether a platform has actually been compromised. In this case, it uses this DICE, which stands for Device Identity Composition Engine technology that's developed by the Trusted Computing Group, incorporated into the Authenta technology. In this case, the server can actually tell whether the device has been compromised, and if it has, it can do something like fail over to do some other type of operation, all through a TLS type connection. Other types of technologies enabled in this are hardware root of trust, platform identity, and a bevy of different types of actual security technologies on the actual chip itself. In order to use all those technologies and actually operate it, requires some kind of management platform. In this case, the Triathlon platform provides a capability of doing development operations, testing operations, and then deployment operations of the Authenta technology. So it's a cloud-based platform that talks to devices through a device agent and can be used from production all the way through fleet management operations and then end of life of the device to change and control all these different Authenta features that are available. The cloud-based platform provides a user interface, a simple user interface for development operations and logging and reports, where you can actually basically run through the various configuration, testing, and then fleet management operations. Simply, it creates configurations. These configurations are used to control what the actual device actually does. It sets up all the various security features of the actual device itself, and then it uses to go out and you can configure the device using some of the testing capabilities, and then deploy the device and manage devices actually in the field. Once you've actually set up and tested your configurations, tested the operations on a test fleet. Once the system is out running and you want to actually make modifications to your flash, make modifications to the actual security capabilities, you can watch and use the system to monitor and perform the actual updates automatically. It will detect and show you when there are different problems in the system, and it will automatically go ahead and modify and configure the flash so it's been updated, as well as the configuration, security configurations, operations, so that when the next time it operates and runs, it'll be running the new updated configurations. The actual system can integrate with customer cloud systems. You can control it easily by calling REST APIs, and it makes basically the management of the new Authenta operations quite easy. One of the customers in a real life right now that's using this is SandCloud. They make both devices that have Authenta devices in themselves, and these are sold to IoT customers, from automotive to critical systems, etc. They connect to their actual SandCloud system, and their cloud talks to Triathlon Cloud, which also talks to the Authenta Cloud to do all the actual security feature management and take advantage of some of the Authenta security features.